well. And I compare an HR, and also a member of KMAC, I always compare an HR organization versus a non-HR organization like the PSIA. PSIA is composed of executives, the presidents, the C-level people. And yet, when they have a raffle, 2 months ago, we were treated to a screening of Ocean's 13. And then they had a raffle. I won a speaker for a computer. Okay. And somebody else won a thumb drive. And I thought that was about it. But for an HR organization, I really find it surprising. You know, we've been giving out stuff since this morning. PDI gave several stuff to lunchtime. And then I see some here, and instead of a computer speaker, a whole set of speakers. I don't know why. Ano bit ng HR organization pagdating sa raffle? So, again, let's start the raffle and end this on a very high note. Okay? Okay, what's next?
Okay, raffling.
Raffling.
Okay, who will draw?
It's with you.
Oh, by the way, for the major prize, we're included.
Oh,
Rules muna! Rules muna! Fiscal presence! Fiscal
They
presence!
must be physically fit.
okay, rules. You have to be physically present in order to get your prize. Okay, so yung mga goodbye ng maaga, you will get your prize. Okay, so let's start the raffling. Ricky, can you help me out here? Okay. So we'll be raffling off three gift packs from Vita Plus. Okay, from Vita Plus. Okay, so we'll have 3 winners for that. So we'll just call the names and just raise your hand if you were called, and then come forward. Okay.
Remember,